breath. Deep breath. Let's do this. What's the big rule in this pool?
Matthew does never go in the water.
Where's your muscles? Show me your muscles. Whoa, take it easy.
If I keep walking, then you're going to have to go to the store
Keep
and
going.
Get me a Big Adventures rocket.
A Big Adventures rocket?
Yeah.
Walk to the end and turn around.
Walk to the end and turn around. I'm doing it.
All right, turn around for me, slow. All by yourself.
What?
I got you. There's one rule.
I got it.
There's one rule. Tell me what the rule is.
Matthew does never go in the water.
That's right. Keep walking.
I'm doing it.
Please show me your muscles. Where's those muscles? Whoa.
I'm doing it.
All right, walk all the way to the end and then turn around all by yourself on the step. Yep, you're good. Turn around.
I'm doing it.
Turn around.
This is...
Don't use the wall, please. Keep your balance and focus.
I'm running.
Now run.
Run.
Now turn around and don't use the wall. Don't use the wall.
Which way?
Turn around. Yeah. You got it. There's one rule in this pool. Turn around. You got it. Slowly and steady. What's the rule in this pool? That's right. Straighten up. Straighten up. Muscles big. Show me your muscles. You're a monster.
I'm walking as a monster. I look like mom.
Turn around.
Which way? That way?
Sure.
Love me to see that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He's going to be very happy.
And I'm going to get a rocket if I'm going to do this.
Big finish. Run.
Run.
Run. Run. Move your feetsies. Move your feetsies.
Last.
Run.
Last.
Hurry up. Run to my hand. This one's for the rocket. Now turn around real quick and run back.
Run back where?
Run back to that side. And I'll meet you at the finish line.
And is that the finish line?
Yep. We have one rule.
And
Run.
Run.
Come on. You can do it. Move your feetsies. Move your feetsies. Run.